Step 4. The check voucher. Similar to a petty cash voucher, a check voucher is a document that records a bank transaction, such as a payment or receipt. This book contains vouchers that should be sequentially numbered and should be in triplicate. To record a transaction in a voucher, you need to fill out the necessary details on the voucher form. This form should be in triplicate and have carbon copy. You should fill out the date, the payee or payer, description of the transaction, and the amount. Collect any relevant supporting documents like invoices or receipts. Once you are done, tear out one of the 3 copies of the voucher and attach the supporting documents. And these should be filed in order of voucher number. The other 2 copies can remain in the voucher book. The goal of all this is to create a clear record of the transaction for accounting purposes. Essentially, you're documenting the inflows and outflows of funds related to the transaction on the voucher itself, which will later be posted to the Excel worksheet. Key steps to record a transaction on a voucher. Identify the transaction type. Determine whether the transaction is a payment or receipts. Gather supporting documents. Collect relevant documentation like invoices, receipts, or purchase orders to ensure accuracy. Now let's fill out the voucher details. 1. Voucher number. Assign a unique voucher number if the vouchers are not pre-numbered. Date. Enter the date of the transaction. Name of payee or payer. If applicable, include the name of the vendor or customer involved. Description. Provide a clear description of the transaction. And lastly, the amount. Enter the total amount of the transaction. For quality control purposes, double-check for accuracy. Verify that all information is correct, including the payments or receipts, before submitting the voucher for approval. Approval process. Some businesses require approvals on vouchers before they are posted to the Excel sheet. If possible, you may need to have someone to check and sign off on the vouchers for quality control purposes. Accounting software. Most businesses use accounting software to automate voucher creation and recording, which simplifies the process. In this case, we are going to create our own simplified one using an Excel worksheet.